Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a swap to share with you. This is a swap that I did with my friend Latasha, who is Sassy Crafty Taz101 King here on YouTube. I will put the link for her channel down below. We decided to do a loaded popcorn swap, a personal swap. We have been swapping for the past year or so, and we have become our crafty BFFs. So I will pull all this out to show you here. She sent me a card here, and I will read that later. And this is the loaded popcorn. I'll show you that in a minute here, but she sent some extra goodies wrapped up in some yellow tissue paper. For this swap, we decided to do like a summer tropical theme. Oh wow, these are so cute. I didn't pick these up at Dollar Tree yet, so this is awesome. Look at these. Tropical and summer, super cute. And then here's a travel one. I haven't seen this one. That's cool. And then here, oh, I haven't seen this one either. Very nice. Says all you need is love and hello beautiful. Those are so, they have like a rose, well, like a copper sort of foiling on them. Really pretty. Get this out of the way. And then here's another summer one, the dimensional. And a gardening one, very cool. And then this one is camping. Very cool. I can use these for my camping trip. Thank you, Latasha. I love those stickers, and I don't have any of those. So here is the swap. So this is one of the plastic popcorn boxes that you can buy at the Dollar Tree, and they come 2 in a pack. Oh wow, this is really pretty, and I actually watched the video for this before I opened it up, so I kind of had an idea that she used a really pretty tropical paper collection, and I don't know which one it is, but super cute. So this is one side. She said that this was a necklace that she had found at Party City. And then the flowers are all like a table scatter. And then here are some stickers. I believe these are from the Dollar Tree. They may be from that. Yeah, there was one on that there. I'm not sure about the pineapples, but really cute. And then on this side, she used pineapple paper and then the sticker that says Paradise. And there's a yellow kind of like a thread trim at the top. And then on this side is a big flower die cut that has some gold foiling on it, and then some little coconut cups down there, and more table scatter. And then on this side is the pineapple paper again with the palm tree sticker and a little like tropical drink there. Very pretty. So everything kind of came out. She put some confetti down in the bottom, or not confetti, but the shredded paper down at the bottom there. So here are the things that she made. She made some rosettes here, super pretty. And then she gifted me some glue strips by the Sparkle & Co. And then she made 2 wands. One with the pineapple paper and this Aloha sticker here and the little coconut drink there. And then this one is a flower that she made with a cute button on the center there. Very cute. And then she made a couple bows with the Enjoy Today on top there. Very pretty. And then this is a little I think these are, let me see. They might be journaling cards. I can't remember what she said. Oh no, they're cards and envelopes. And get it open here. Got my handy scissors here. So that's a journaling card there on the back, and it says, "Find me under the palms." And then these are little 3x3 cards. Paradise Found. That's on the back. And then We Dream of Sunny Days. And then this one is Travel the World. Very nice. And she gave me some of that flower table scatter, and it has little shells in it as well. And it looks like some palm leaves. Very cute. And then she made some little envelopes with the paper. And then she has like a journaling card back behind there. And here's some more journaling cards from the paper collection. Today's the Day, Salty and Sweet, Relax. There's a flamingo, and then the flowers. Very pretty. And then here she made 2 more handmade bows with the pineapple paper. Very cute. And she gifted me some wooden die cut pieces that are an ice cream and a donut, and then I think there's another like popsicle in here. Super cute. Yeah, super. Look at the little faces on them, are so adorable. It reminds me, this one reminds me of the kind we used to have as a kid that were the red, white, and blue, that were really good. And then here's the donuts. Oh, look, the little eyelashes. That's super cute. So there's 2 of those, and then 2 of the popsicles, and 2 of the little ice cream cones. Super cute. And then she gifted me some pencils. There's ones with like ice cream and soda and french fries, and the stripe, and then donuts and feathers, and then this one has owls and houses on it. So really cute pencils. So I love all these things. Latasha, you did an awesome job on this. It was so much fun, and I love swapping with you. So can't wait to do another swap with you. We'll have to come up with another creative thing to alter. So go ahead and check out Latasha's videos. She does a lot of awesome swaps and challenges and things here on YouTube, and the Scrap the World challenges and everything. And she also admins on Loaded Envelopes Galore, so that's where we first met. So check out her channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.